IIT JEE mains result have been declared, and JOSAA is going to start counseling very soon. Now we are going to discuss first point, which is the branches in engineering. So first is computer science and engineering. In that one, basically it is in short form, it is called CSE. Okay, so computer in some colleges it's also called computer science. Okay, the both are almost same branches. In this one, you can see the list 4-year BTech and 5-year dual courses are also available in the list. What is the difference in both? So in 4th year courses, you will get the degree of BTech. Okay, after 4 year, the course duration will be 4 year, and you will get the BTech degree after 4 year. In dual degree, you will get MTech degree directly. Okay, means here you will not get the BTech, but directly you will get the MTech degree. Okay, see, suppose that you are going to do BTech separately, that will take 4 years, and MTech separately it will take 2 years. So whole duration will be 6 years. But if you will opt for dual degree, it will take 5 year only, means you will save 1 year. Okay, so here, so these are the branches. And in computer science and artificial intelligence also available in some colleges. Okay, so these 3 branches are almost same, very little differences are there. Okay, so you can opt wherever it is available, and if you wish to opt for. Okay, good know. So now here you can go for the computer science 5-year dual degree also. Okay, in some colleges 5-year dual degree is also available, so you can opt for that one. Okay, so second one, next branch is basically electronics and communication. Okay, so basically computer science is many students want, or this is you can say that this is the most demanded branch. Okay, so as per other demand, now we are moving for electronics and communication, ECE. This is the second most demanded electronics and communication, that is called ECE. And in some colleges it's also called electronics and telecommunication. Okay, so both are almost same branches. Okay, so both are almost same branches. You can opt, if it is available, you can opt for both. Okay, so this is called ECE, electronics and communication, ECE, and okay, and electronics and telecommunication. Okay, after this electrical and electronics, that is also called EEE, electrical and electronics engineering. Electrical and electronics engineering, that is also called EEE branch. Okay, so here in some or either you can opt for electronics and electrical, or you can opt for electrical engineering, that is also called EE. Okay, EE, so both are almost same branches. You can opt, okay, if it is available. Okay, so you can go for this one. After that, after this mechanical engineering branch is also there, mechanical engineering branch. So all these 4 branches are evergreen branches, and the student have a very high demand of these colleges, these branches. Okay, there are other branches also. More than 50 branches are there in engineering, and students go for different branches. Okay, all branches are good, all 50 branches, more than 50 branches are available. Okay, it's like chemical engineering, civil engineering. Okay, so these are branches, good branches, like engineering physics. Okay, so this is also metallurgical and material engineering. Okay, so MME, this is called MME, production engineering. So okay, biotechnology, biomedical, and there is another branch, bioinformatics. Okay, all 3 branches comes in one category. Okay, a little there are some differences in between them, but they all 3 comes in same category. Okay, so you can opt. Okay, there are so many different branches, different branches available.